going on, everybody? Today I'm getting some steel for the table for the jet engine lathe. Hopefully it doesn't take too long, and I'm glad to see these guys are still doing work, because this whole COVID shit's got everybody jacked up. And you know, at least they're still open and supplying the public. So we'll get this material, get home, and get to What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to Fused and Carbon. So today we're building the engine lathe table, or at least part of it. I don't think I'm going to be able to get to it all. I went to the steel supply store and got my steel that I'm going to use. It's 3" by 1" rectangular 2 by 14 gauge. Should be plenty thick, but we got it all in the car. We're going to get it out and get to it. right on the money. So this is the bottom. What we're going to do now is we're going to tack it on this side, tack it on the bottom, flip it back over, and then cut another piece to go on the inside right here. And that's the part that's going to hold the lathe in place. I don't want to put it dead center. We're probably going to put it pretty close to center. Maybe like, this is 17 across, 17 and an eighth. 17 and an eighth is 9 and 3/4 or 8 and 3/4. 8 and 5/8 is probably what it is. So we're going to put the other part on the inside and then cut 2 supports to go across the center right here. I think that's going to be more than enough to support the machine. And probably try to weld it out today. I don't think we're going to be able to get to that, but try to at least. And hopefully if everything goes to plan, drill some holes in it and then mount the base of the engine lathe to it after we build the legs for it tomorrow. So let's get to it. Stop talking. Alright guys, so I got it all welded out. Don't mind that. Pretty big gap. But everything else is all nice and welded out. So I don't have the best power in here. I have one outlet over there and one outlet over there. But I would really like to get like 220 over here somewhere. And then like 3 3 or 4 more outlets for 110. That would just be so much more convenient, and I could do anything anywhere instead of having to plug an extension cord in over there and then extend it over here and maybe run the air compressor and then not be able to run the air compressor because you're welding or because you're using the pressure washer or whatever. But hopefully eventually we'll get that done, and one of these days, I guess. But anyway, so tomorrow I'm gonna come in here and build the legs for it, see if we can figure out how to do it properly, or just figure out if we can figure out how I would prefer it to be done. Just put it like that. So thanks for watching, and until next time.